just how grateful I can be.
You better believe in karma, baby, it's gonna sting. The wheel of life's gonna do you in, so I don't really have to do a thing. You tipped me out of my money.
Hey, what happened?
What?
What do you mean, what? Did you ask her? Did she say anything? Did she say she liked me? Did she imply she liked me?
Yeah. Yeah, she likes you. In fact, she's totally into you.
Let's go next. Perfect.
Scott, you okay, dude? Look, I know we just got good news and all, but there's still 7 hours till the full moon, okay?
Go! Guess some people don't appreciate new status there, McCall. Who's next? Let's go. Gonna follow that, Blitzky?
Wait, yeah, no.
You're up, big boy. Let's go. That's it, McCall. That's the spirit. You earn it. Earn it, McCall.
Danny! Man, did you see that? Danny! Danny, now, aren't you? You okay, dude? Danny, are you okay?
Dude, what the hell are you doing?
Well, he's twice the size of me.
Come on. Back it up.
Yeah, but everybody likes Danny. Now everybody's gonna hate you.
I don't care.
Is he okay?
It looks like he just has a bloody nose.
What?
Your lipstick.
No, that happened.
Yeah. No wonder.
Right now, you can't tell your father about this, because he'll kill me.
Okay.
Okay. Well, what's our hapless victim's name?
Mr. Bear.
You named your teddy bear Mr. Bear? It's like the worst teddy bear name in the world.
I was 5 years old.
All right, well, just shoot your unimaginatively named bear and put it out of its misery. See, now that's what I'm talking about. See, if you would have had that the other night, you would have just... Whoa, what? No, wait a minute. I thought you wanted to learn how to do this, sweetie.
I just don't know what happened.
The Scots? Aw. Listen, my gorgeous young niece. You're gonna break hearts left and right, okay? And he was lucky to have gotten the tiny little taste of Allison Argent's world that he got.
But it felt so right with him. And then he just started acting so strange, and now I don't know what to believe.
Well, sweetie, he's a guy. You can't believe anything.
It's just the whole thing with Derek Hale the other night, and Scott saying he didn't know him, but I saw them together.
Wait,
so
hold on. Wait, back up. Scott knows Derek. Alleged killer Derek. Are they friends?
No. Not really. At least that's what he said.
How about you tell me everything that Scott said about Derek?
What do you mean by everything?
I mean, everything.
Scott?
Styles.
Key.
Yeah. I had one made, so.
That doesn't surprise me. Scares me, but it doesn't surprise me. What is that?
School project.
Styles, he's okay, right?
Who, Scott? Yeah. Totally.
He just doesn't talk to me that much anymore, not like he used to.
Well, he's had a bit of a rough week.
Yeah, I get it. Yeah. Okay, be careful tonight.
You too.
Full moon.
What?
There's a full moon tonight. You should see how the ER gets. Brings out all the nut jobs.
Oh.
Yeah.
Right.
You know, it's actually where they came up with the word lunatic.
Oh my God! Dude, you scared the hell out of me. Your mom said you weren't home yet. Came in through the window. Okay. Well, let's get this set up. I want you to see what I bought. I'm fine. I'm just gonna lock the door and go to bed early tonight. You sure about that? Because you got this kind of serial killer look going on in your eyes, and I'm hoping it's the full moon taking effect because it's really starting to freak me out. I'm fine. You should go now. All right, I'll leave. Well, look, would you just at least look in the bag and see what I bought? You know, maybe you use it, maybe you don't. Sound good? Think I'm gonna let you put these on, chain me up like a dog? Actually, no. What the hell are you doing? Protecting you from yourself and giving you some payback for making out with Lydia.
What are you doing here?
Oh, I was just thinking I might get back into something I haven't done for a while. What about you?
Oh, well, for Danny. McCall bashed him pretty hard on the field. Why do I get the feeling you could use someone to talk to?
Is it that obvious?
Maybe because I'm kind of feeling the same way.
Brought you some water. I'm gonna kill you! You kissed her, Scott, okay? You kissed Lydia. That's like the one girl that And you know, the past 3 hours I've been thinking, it's probably just the full moon. You know, he doesn't even know what he's doing. And tomorrow he'll be totally back to normal. He probably won't even remember what a complete dumbass he's been. A son of a bitch, a freaking unbelievable piece of crap friend. She kissed me. What? I didn't kiss her. She kissed me. She would have done a lot more, too. You should have seen the way she had her hands all over me. She would have done anything I wanted. Anything!
If I tell you something, you promise not to laugh?
I would never laugh at you.
I don't think it was Derek in the school.